let's take this muffler off, John. Where's your muffler?
It's in the seat.
Why would you lock the doors?
I don't know.
Can you unlock them? Inside the truck. That's smart.
No, it's in the blue on one of those drawer things. On the top.
Hey guys, today we're going to be replacing a muffler with John. Anyway, so we're going to put a cherry bomb on the truck. What's the first thing that we're going to do?
Destroy the muffler.
Destroy this muffler. Okay, got it. Wait. Yeah, John. The real mechanic MPV right here. The board, okay?
Yeah.
You take a board to your muffler, man. Oh, I love this so much. The professional way, but how to replace a muffler.
But you can get it off.
You may think it's a gas, but it's not. It's a fryer for your fries on the go. And I'm gonna...
Okay, that's it.
All right, that's it. We're gonna scrap the truck.
We're halfway there. Rain close.
Hopefully, if anyone's a professional mechanic in the comments, you can tell what we're doing wrong or something like that. Everything? Oh yeah, that makes sense. Look at John. So John, what do you think we should do besides trying to hit it? You wanna try my foot? I'll lay down and hit it. Ready? Hopefully I don't cut my foot on something metal. What was that? Okay. Wait, move your face before I kick you. Man, I almost cut my foot. Oh! John actually has a solution. What's your idea, John?
Tie this to the pole, to the muffler. Yeah, don't worry.
All right, sounds pretty legit. We're not doing anything, Dad.
Nah.
Dad, it's called content.
I hope you have lots of money. Remember, you don't have no collision.
Would they count this as a liability?
No.
A liability then.
Truck attached to a telephone pole.
Oh.
Me and Grant will just pull it, yeah.
All right, we're just gonna pull it off with this thing.
You ain't gonna do it.
Professional mechanics, Dad.
Why don't you just hold the wood and take the sledge and hit it harder? Take that tube of 6 and hold on the muffler and smack it.
Oh, I feel it coming. Oh, wait, hold still, Grant. It's coming.
Pull, Grant. You got to give it a go rolling.
Grant, pull, Grant. Yay! Professional. Got it off. All right, John. Well, what do you say? Look at that. We got the muffler off the most professional way.
Yeah, how good is the muffler?
Woo!
How did you bend it that much?